Hey guys, welcome to TJ's Kitchen. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these soft pretzels. Let's get started. So in a bowl, I'm using my stand mixer here. You're just going to need all the ingredients together. So the flour, yeast, sugar, salt, water, and butter until it comes together into a ball. The hydration in this recipe is about 65% around there. So the dough will be a little bit tacky, but doesn't stick to the fingers. After it's done kneading, you're going to cover it, set it aside, and let it double in volume. It'll take around 90 minutes. Once it's doubled in size, I'm going to take out the dough using my dough scraper, and I'm going to scale out each ball. I want them to be uniform in size so they bake the same and look the same. I'm scaling each dough ball to 100 grams, and then I'm going to cover them just with a plastic bag so that the dough doesn't dry out. Once everything is scaled, I am going to roll out each dough ball into a long log. Now, to make the pretzel shape, it's actually better to watch what I'm doing, but I'm pretty much just taking the ends, twisting them together, and then dropping them down in the middle of the pretzel. I'm going to do that to all of my dough and then let them rest onto a baking sheet with parchment paper. While they are resting, I'm going to boil a big pot of water to get it ready for the baking soda bath. You do need to do that step as it gives the pretzel their classic texture. Once the water is boiled, I'm adding in about a quarter cup of baking soda, and then I'm going to drop in the pretzels. I'm going to do about 3 at a time so that it doesn't drop the temperature of the water too much. And I'm going to boil each pretzel for a minute on each side, so 2 minutes total. After you've boiled all of your pretzels, you're going to return them back to the baking sheet with parchment paper. Brush with some egg wash to give it its nice golden brown shine, and sprinkle with some salt, or you can do poppy seeds or just leave it out. Then bake at 450 degrees for around 15 minutes. Let them cool a bit before trying, and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.